Ever wonder what a mammoth's dentist appointment would look like? Imagine a waiting room filled with shaggy giants, all nervously clutching their tusks, waiting for their turn in the chair. While that might sound like the setup for a cartoon, the reality is even more fascinating, and a whole lot messier. Spoiler, it's messier than you think. Forget sparkling white smiles and minty fresh breath. When it comes to ancient dental hygiene, things get downright prehistoric. Picture a mouthful of teeth caked with millennia-old grime, and you're getting close. Scientists just made a wild discovery. Inside a fossilized mammoth tooth, they uncovered a time capsule of ancient life. This wasn't just any old tooth. It was a treasure trove, perfectly preserved for thousands of years beneath layers of ice and earth. They found an entire community of ancient bacteria. Yep, even mammoths had plaque. These tiny organisms were sealed in by the fossilization process, giving us a microscopic snapshot of what was happening in a mammoth's mouth all those ages ago. Researchers took a close look at the tooth and uncovered bacteria that had been chilling there for thousands of years. Talk about persistent. These bacteria survived the Ice Age, outlasting the mammoth itself, and now they're helping us piece together the story of a long-lost world. But these little microbes aren't just freeloaders. They're like tiny detectives, holding clues to the past. By studying their DNA and the chemical traces they left behind, scientists can reconstruct the environment, diet, and even the health problems of these ancient giants. They actually tell us a ton about the mammoth's life. For example, the types of bacteria found can reveal what the mammoth was eating, what kind of water it drank, and even what season it died in. It's like reading a diary written in plaque. The types of bacteria suggest our furry friend may have had a raging toothache. Think of it as a 10,000-year-old cavity report. Some of these bacteria are the same culprits that cause tooth decay in humans today, so it's safe to say that dental pain is a truly ancient problem. Plus, by studying the bacteria, scientists can figure out what the mammoth ate, from tough grasses to woody shrubs. Sometimes, tiny bits of food are even trapped in the plaque, offering direct evidence of the mammoth's last meals, what diseases it battled, and how it survived in the icy tundra. Some bacteria hint at infections or illnesses the mammoth may have suffered, while others show how it adapted to harsh, frozen landscapes. Each tooth is a record of survival against the odds. It's basically CSI, Ice Age edition, but with more fur. Scientists use high-tech tools like DNA sequencing and electron microscopes to solve mysteries that have been frozen in time for thousands of years. And here's a wild fact. Mammoth teeth could grow up to 6 inches long, perfect for chomping on tough, frozen plants. These massive molars were built for grinding, but even they weren't immune to wear and tear. But just like us, they weren't safe from dental problems. Cracks, cavities, and infections could make eating a real challenge, and sometimes even lead to an early death. Plaque and toothaches have been annoying creatures for ages. From the tiniest shrew to the mightiest mammoth, dental drama is a universal experience. So next time you grumble about brushing your teeth, remember, even mammoths had to deal with mouth monsters. If a 6-ton Ice Age beast couldn't escape the dentist, what chance do the rest of us have? Science rocks, and so do ancient toothaches. Every fossilized tooth is a window into a lost world, and every new discovery brings us closer to understanding the lives of the incredible creatures that once roamed our planet. Hit subscribe for more prehistoric mysteries. Who knows what other ancient secrets are waiting to be discovered? Maybe even in the next tooth.